Hello. To quickly introduce myself, I'm Richard Rahul, Senior Manager with Monitor Deloitte based in our Belgian office. My focus areas are specifically working within pricing, market access, and commercial strategies for life sciences companies, specifically pharma. One of the key things that, as you may know, that is happening within pharma is the pricing pressures that are growing across the globe. What do we do with these pricing pressures? How do we learn from how these pricing pressures are going to change how we look at pharmaceutical pricing, access to patients? What are the different components that we should be looking at? For example, is it the regulatory? Is it the access? Is it HTA submissions? Is it something to do with the operational elements such as gross to net leakages? Where do we learn all of these different elements together? One of the perfect spaces that you will get to learn this and a far more number of topics would be at the EPP CPM Pharma training. This happens every year and is one of the best platforms for you to get more than a basic level of training. It is normally a 5-day training session which focuses on multiple components of pricing, market access. For example, you will know how to set your prices. How do you optimize prices? What techniques do you need to do when it relates to pharmaceutical pricing? How do you manage those prices? What sort of teams and governance principles do you need to apply? What does it mean to have a center of excellence within pricing? And apart from that, you will also gain a lot more with respect to the operational elements with, for example, its gross to net. Welcome to this training, and we hope to see you there.